Today I'm going to show you a full day of eating thanks to Hungryroot.com, and like the box says, it is extremely convenient. Everything comes very fresh to the door and packed well with ice packs, and all you have to do is put the recipes together, and they are super simple and definitely very tasty. This is so delicious. It really tastes cheesy and creamy and yummy. The beets, I love a beet salad, but these are shredded up so nice, and the kale. If you're interested in trying out Hungryroot.com, click the link in the description box to get $30 off your first order with my special Mr. Vince code. Trust me, this food is worth it, and you can cancel anytime, so why not give it a try? Do yourself a favor in the new year and eat clean and plant-based thanks to Hungryroot.com.